The COVID-19 crisis has affected the entire economy, impacting workplaces and workers of all orders. The Indian garment textile sector has been one of the many industries which was badly hit due to the COVID-19 crisis. The sector is the second largest employer after agriculture. Garment factories often pay low wages, leaving workers with little financial security. Many have suffered as factories cut down their size or shut down completely. During the pandemic, some workers have battled hunger and taken debt to survive. A large share of this workforce are women, including many migrants who were dependent on the industry for their livelihood. They can hardly afford any disruption to their income as faced during April 2020 when factories temporarily shut due to the pandemic and numerous workers lost their jobs. Therefore, it is important that now, when the country is on its way to recovery and workplaces are slowly opening up in staggered manner, they provide safe and healthy environment to workers with all recommended guidelines related to COVID-19. For workers to return to work safely, there are a few things that are strongly recommended from international and national authorities. Workers should demand and employers should ensure that workstations are at least 6 feet apart from each other. Everyone in the factory wears face masks all the time while at work. Get vaccinated in government or private hospital. Hands are regularly sanitized or washed with soap. Routine cleaning and disinfection of workplaces. Ensure visitors or guests wear face masks. Record and report workplace COVID-19 infections. Ensure natural ventilation in workplaces. From May 1st, 2021, all eligible citizens above the age of 18 years can get the COVID-19 vaccine. The COVID-19 vaccines produce protection against the disease. The immunity helps you fight the virus if exposed. Getting vaccinated will not only protect you, but the family members will also be stress-free when you go out for work. If there are violations of government COVID-19 norms by the employer, workers are encouraged to either raise their concerns through the Works or Grievance Committee or any other communication channels available in the factory. If workers' requests are unheard, workers of Fairwear member suppliers can reach out to Fairwear helpline depending on their geography. Violations can be related to inadequate measures by employers for protecting their health and safety due to COVID-19 or workers being subjected to occupational hazards in the operation, closures, and reopening of workplaces. Employers can also file a complaint if they are not supported by the Fairwear member to navigate the crisis. The world of work is being profoundly affected by the global virus pandemic. Let us all, development agencies, employers, workers, and citizens collectively work in combating the outbreak, ensuring the safety of workers and the sustainability of jobs.